Morgan and Sean have set up a short pistol course for us. So almost everyone has already shot. We're right down to the very end. Morgan's up next. He's an organizer, so he can't actually win, but he still wants to shoot. So we're gonna follow him and see how well he does.
I think you're trying too hard.
Do a 3D video?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yes. Stand by.
Now this is where he's gonna have some trouble. All right. What was the time?
That's what screwed you up. 30 shots at a 34.72. Your first shot was at a 1.53.
34.72. Even with the misses, he beat me by 10 seconds. And how do you feel?
Disappointed in myself.
What was your time before this one?
35 seconds.
Oh, so you improved
By a second.
a third of a second.
34 seconds.
You want to know what'll help you get faster?
Okay, I think we
misses?
figured out the problem. Here's what happened. There was too many bangs without a ding right behind it, and that's what it was.
Yes.
The bang to ding ratio was off. So next time, work on that.
I'm definitely going to work on that for sure.
Yeah, work on that, and I'm sure that you'll do better. You
Yes.
still beat me handily, so you should be happy.
Oh, man.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you later.